This power bank is a beast, 36,000 mAh. It can charge the iPhone 15 Pro more than 10 times and the S23 Ultra more than 7 times. It also has automatic charging with the built-in solar modules. This is what is inside the box, one USB-C cable, but there is plenty more on the device. Here you have the USB-A, the USB-C and the micro USB. On the back of the device, you can see you have all these cables. There is no device that you have that cannot be charged with one of these cables. And also after all this, there is wireless charging on this device also. So in theory, you can charge 7 devices simultaneously with this big power bank. This is a very interesting device that has a lot of capacity. Whenever you travel, you go to the park, you go to work, any outdoor activities, hiking, going to the mountain, and most importantly, you can charge multiple devices, charge the device of your friends. Currently, I'm holding 4 devices and none of them have 5,000 mAh battery capacity, and if they had all that capacity, I will be able to charge all of them and I still will have some juice for other devices. The power bank can output 15 watt charging to 3 devices at the same time. The other devices are going to charge below 15 watt.